Do it again.
Now go.
Aloha everybody, thanks for tuning into PhotoLukeHawaii for your Hawaii update. Happy New Year! Hope everybody had a good New Year's. It's been a month since our last update. It is Sunday, January 10th, 2021. Here is our current total number of COVID infections since March 2020. It is not how many infected people we have right now. Copy down this link because all travelers coming to Hawaii must create an account on this Safe Travels website and fill out the health and travel information and must do the 10-day mandatory quarantine when coming to Hawaii. That's right, it's now 10 days, not 14 days. The better option for travelers is to take the pre-travel test 72 hours before coming to Hawaii. Here is another important link for you to look up information about what is expected and what you need to know when planning your trip to Hawaii. Travelers 5 years and older coming to Hawaii from the US mainland have the option to take the pre-travel test 72 hours before coming to Hawaii. And for Canada and Japan, I believe it's mandatory for them to take this nucleic acid amplification test for COVID-19 72 hours before their flight to Hawaii by a trusted testing partner listed on this website, which will also be down below in the description. Here is the information in Japanese, and also the links to Air Canada and WestJet are on this link. You just have to look for it at the bottom of the page. This will also be down below in the description. Upon receiving a negative result from this test, you will not have to do the 10-day mandatory quarantine. However, if you do not get your test results back by the time your flight is supposed to depart for Hawaii and you still go on your flight, you will have to do the 10-day mandatory quarantine when arriving in Hawaii. You should ask the airlines you are booking with about what you can do if you do not get your test results back before your flight is supposed to leave. Ask whether you can cancel your flight or change your flight to a later time without a penalty or a fee. For more complete information about travel to Hawaii, go to www.hawaiicovid19.com. As of January 5th, 2021, now accepting travel to Kauai with the pre-travel test program for inter-island travel. And if you're coming from somewhere else, as long as you spend 3 days on another island before going to Kauai, say like staying on Oahu for 3 days, and you take the pre-travel test on Oahu 72 hours before you go to Kauai, and you get your test result back before your flight leaves for Kauai, and you upload it in the Safe Travels website, you will not have to do the 10-day mandatory quarantine when going to Kauai. Of course, your result has to be negative. Also, Kauai has a resort bubble program, which says travelers that take the pre-travel test quarantine for 3 days on the Kauai resort bubble property. Then after that, take a post-travel test, and as long as it shows up negative, you will be released from quarantine. Please go to this website, which will take you to the Kauai website, and you can read it and try to figure it out on your own. If traveling inter-island to the Big Island, Kauai, Maui, Molokai, or Lanai, and coming to Oahu, you do not have to do a quarantine. But if you are traveling inter-island to any island except for Oahu, you must do the 10-day mandatory quarantine unless you take the pre-travel test 72 hours before your flight to whatever island you're going to. Here is a link to the trusted testing partner locations here in Hawaii. And there's also, on that same website, there's the locations of the US mainland and also Japan, I believe. And then I think there's information for Canada on there also. And again, just anyone doing quarantines or who wants to take advantage of food delivery services, here is the links. And the bottom link for Instacart is for grocery delivery services. Everyone 5 years and older, when going outside in public, must wear a mask when it is not possible to stay 6 feet apart from others. If you are going to a farmer's market, malls, stores, businesses, offices, on buses, while ordering food, even drive-thrus, or even your apartment building, or walking around your hotel common areas, going up and down the escalator or elevator, you need to be wearing a mask. Everyone also must keep 6 feet distance from other people, not of the same household, and no groups or gatherings larger than 5. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water, and when soap and water is not available, use hand sanitizer. Also, don't forget to wash your mask at least daily, if not after each use. 20 seconds. I personally use hand soap. I do the same thing with my face too. I wash my face with soap and water for 20 seconds. There are many places still not open for business or visits. Some of the places that have recently opened again are Hanamo Bay, Diamond Head State Monument, which is the Diamond Head hike, and the Aloha Swap Meet. I recently told somebody that it was open already. It wasn't. Now it's going to open again. So these places all require a mask to go and enter it. Even when you're going to Hanamo Bay, I believe once you're on the beach and stuff, as long as you stay 6 feet apart from other people, you're okay. Diamond Head, I think you gotta have the mask on the whole time, and same with the swap meet. You need to have your mask on the whole time. I'm not sure if you can eat or drink or snack, if there's areas for that, or if there's a protocol for that. I have no idea. You'll find out if you go there. Please check on the website or call them to get information on what their operating hours are and days of business also, as they may not be open every day like they used to be. If you're dining in at a restaurant, you will be required to leave your name and number. Most food court areas have one entrance into the seating area, and you have to go through a security person who is taking on everybody's information. I believe they get rid of this information after a month, but the reason why they do this is for contact tracing, in case there is an outbreak from wherever you are eating at. Then they can, contact you. I hear there is some kind of an app going around right now for contact tracing purposes, where you download this app and you somehow register for it. I'm not sure about the details on that, but you can let me know about it in the comments below if you guys know about that. Here is a couple links. You can find out more information about COVID in Hawaii and current travel to Hawaii information. Here is our Hawaii News channel links, Hawaii News Now and KAUA'I News, both their websites and their YouTube channel links. Planning your next trip to Hawaii and don't know where to start? Check out Guide of US Hawaii. Here is their link. You will find all kind of information to plan your next trip here to Hawaii, and what to do and what to expect during this time of COVID. It is a one-stop resource for all things Hawaii. Guide of US Hawaii. Go check them out and plan your next Hawaiian vacation. Daily Pigeon Live with Andy Bumatai is every morning at 6 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time on Twitch. Go to www.tv/Andy Bumatai. Andy Bumatai is a very popular Hawaii comedian, actor, and talk show host. One of my favorite shows that he did was All in the Ohana, where he plays every member of the household. You can find this on YouTube, or maybe you can find the DVD on Amazon or eBay. I don't know. Andy Bumatai also has his YouTube channel. Go to www.youtube.com/Andy Bumatai Tooling Around. He has live talk shows every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. He also has replays of his early morning Twitch shows on his YouTube channel for your viewing enjoyment. Daily Pigeon Live with Andy Bumatai. If you're into reading short fiction, please check out our friend Storied Worlds at www.storiedworlds.com. Here is his link. You can check out his original fiction section for some good short stories he wrote, and it's free to read. He also does some book reviews and other things if you're interested. Storied Worlds at storiedworlds.com. We like to support other YouTube channels reach their first 1,000 subscribers. So please check out Amanda and Felix Eats. That's right, it's a Hawaii foodie channel by people who live in Hawaii. Check out Amanda and Felix Eats as they go around the island trying different foods from different places. They even do some hikes and adventures In YouTube, just search Amanda and Felix Eats, and you will also find their YouTube channel link in the description below. Show them some aloha and subscribe to them today. Amanda and Felix Eats. I've also met some really cool people on Twitch, and I'm hoping you'll help them out and support them here on their YouTube channels. Please go check out our friend The Songery. That's how you spell the name, The Songery. She's an awesome music artist with original songs, music videos, and you can even buy her music on iTunes or other digital store platforms. Go to www.youtube.com/thesongery and subscribe to her today. Another person I'd like you to support is Missy Alcazar Music, who is another fun music artist who is a dueling pianist who used to work at Disneyland, and I'm hoping you folks will help her out and support her by subscribing to her YouTube channel. She also has original songs, music videos, and music you can buy on iTunes or other digital store platforms. Her show is fun, but also with adult humor, so you may not want to watch her around kids. Please go to www.youtube.com/Missy Alcazar Music and subscribe to her today. Finally, please check out the Compliments, who are a kids-friendly duet. They also have original music, music videos, and albums you can buy on iTunes or other digital store platforms. And yes, if you go to their YouTube channel, they may only have one video, but I'm sure they'll be posting more in the near future. Go to www.youtube.com/thecompliments. That's how you spell their name. The Compliments. Please show them some aloha and subscribe to them today. PhotoLukeHawaii is sponsored by Lono at lonomusic.com and his new YouTube channel, Lono Music. His links are here and will be down below in the description. Lono contributes his music to us, which you will hear in our drives, some other videos, and a lot of times I use it at the beginning during the map scene. Please subscribe to Lono Music at his new YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/KAUA'I, and that is how you spell it. Show Lono some aloha and buy an album you can immediately download today. Or you can show your appreciation to him and give him a donation through his website. He also has song sheets of his music for free for you to play and sing along to his music. Lono Music on YouTube and lonomusic.com. PhotoLukeHawaii is also sponsored by Shark Dog Designs Hawaii. Please check out his t-shirts on Amazon.com. Here is the link. He also has this PhotoLukeHawaii t-shirt available for purchase. Check out Shark Dog Designs Hawaii and buy a t-shirt today. Shark Dog Designs Hawaii. We also have our PhotoLukeHawaii merchandise store on Teespring with the same design, and all our other available merchandise on there. And I believe some of our merchandise shows at the bottom of our YouTube page. And until January 31st, 2021, if you use the promo code OHANA 2021, you will get 20% off your purchases. And again, that is until January 31st, 2021. Thank you to everybody who's already been buying our merchandise. If you want to see what our family does on trips, please go to PhotoLukeHawaii Travels and Bon Dance channel. We mainly do Japan. We also have some of California, Disneyland, California Adventure, and Universal Studios. This is the link, and it will also be down below in the description. PhotoLukeHawaii Travels and Bon Dance channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you don't enjoy it and you're just glad the video is over, give me a thumbs up anyways. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get a notification every time we post a new video or we go live. You can also check us out on our new Twitch channel at www.twitch.tv/PhotoLukeHawaii for more fun live episodes. And if you want to help us out a little bit more, you can join the PhotoLukeHawaii team on Patreon. This is the link here, or you can help us out by giving us a donation through our PayPal link right here. Mahalo nui loa, which means thanks very much. Malama pono, which means take care. Ahui ho, which means until next time. Aloha. Thanks y'all for watching, everybody. Mahalo nui. Happy New Year. We really appreciate all of you folks. Thanks, everybody. Aloha. Ahui ho.